The jungle wakes slowly. Creepers snake across branches, climbing higher with each passing hour. Leaves stretch, uncurling like they've just remembered the sun. Twigs crack gently as new shoots push their way into the open air. Everything is alive. A hush falls. The sky darkens, a whisper of thunder far away. Then it begins. A soft drizzle, barely a sound. Raindrops fall like scattered pearls, landing softly. The vines glisten, the branches drink, and then cool, silken water slides slowly down the skin of the leaf.